What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Now today, we're gonna make some Reuben sandwiches, baby. That means we're gonna have to boil some corned beef brisket, and that can take a while. So we better get up and get started right now. Let's get to it. Alright, we got our water boiling right now, so we're going to go ahead and put our brisket right in there. That's really the main part of it. That's going to be the most time consuming thing that you got to do today, baby. It's going to take, a couple hours, honestly. So make sure you got plenty of time to do this one. So, like I say, let's get that brisket out. Let's put it in the water, and let's let it cook, baby. More time to drink. Alright, baby. We're going to go ahead and put that brisket in that water. Put the lid on and let it bubble up, baby. Let it bubble up. Look at the steam. About halfway through, I like to cut mine in half, We're literally cutting the cooking time in half right here. Instead of one big sweet meat, you got two little sweeties in there. Yeah, put that lid back on there. And you know what? It's going to take a while, so you got some time. You can call a friend. Read a good book. Or even take in a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. Now that's beautiful right there. But we better get back and check that corned beef. Yeah, so we got our meat thermometer in here because, the corned beef, it's always pink, baby. It never looks done. But you want it between 170 and 180. And now we can cut it up. Cut it however thick you want it, baby. Live your life. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, that's just about ready to assemble on our sandwich, baby. Alright, the brisket is finally done. We've got it cut up, and it's ready to go on our Reuben sandwich. I'm going to get ready to put it together, and the first thing I'm going to do is wash my damn hands. Y'all wash your hands now, don't forget. Oh yeah, now here we go. Putting the corned beef on that rye bread. Stack it up, baby. Yep, get it all lined up. Then we're going to go ahead and add our sauerkraut and our Thousand Island dressing. You can use as little or as much as you want, baby. It's your sandwich. Put your cheese on top, put the bread on top, and look at that beautiful thing. We're going to go ahead and put it right back in the pan. Put a little butter on there and flip it over. Just like a grilled cheese. Like a grilled cheese that just won the lottery. And look at that. But sometimes flipping's like football. You gotta call an audible at the line of scrimmage, That's why we wash our hands when we cooking, baby. And we put some butter on the other side. Flip it over. And it's done and ready to go. There it is. A beautiful Reuben sandwich. And I'm gonna have the first bite for me, baby. Alright, baby. The time has come. The Reuben sandwich is done. And I'm having the first bite for myself. Man, look at this thing right here. Damn. That's a good one, baby. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. Peace.